Here we start with a simple box agent, and we're going to use the sound to help our agent avoid bumping into each other. So let's begin by adding some more agents into the scene. To edit place, and I'm just going to use the circle generator. So increase the number to about 40. Spread them out a bit more. Let's add some angle variation to them. Once we're happy, place the agents into the scene. The agents will need to make sound to be able to hear each other, and for that we need the output sound.a. Set the range 0 to 100 and set the value to about 45. We need another output node. This one will be sound.f. Set this range to 0 to 10,000 and we'll have a value of about 5,000. If we view sound emissions, we can see coloured circles which represent how far each agent's sound is travelling. The circle shows the distance at which a sound falls off to 0 decibels. 0 decibels effectively means that the sound is inaudible, so each agent will only be audible within the circle. The colour of the sound is represented accordingly to the frequency. So low frequency will be red, going through to high frequency, which is blue. Now we just need our agents to move. Let's bring on an output node and set this to TZ. Set the range 0 to 10 and set the value to about 4. We can probably turn off the sound emissions now. We're going to need our agents to turn, so let's bring on another output node and set this to RY. Set the range to minus 180 to 180. Just going to rename this to turn. Now let's bring on our first input node. This will be sound.x. And let's give this a range of minus 180 to 180. And we're going to need a few fuzz nodes. Which will connect. These will be left, center, and right. Now we just need to sort what the curves are. So for left, let's get these out. It's about minus 20 for the first point, minus 90 for the second point, minus 45, 0 for center, we have a start point at minus 60, and then minus 30, go to 30, and finishing off at 60. For right, start at 0 to 45, and 90, then finishing off at 120. Right. We've set up what left, center and right are. We're going to need to establish a couple rules. So if left and near, the agent should go right, and if right and near, the agent should go left. So we're going to need more than just left, center and right. We're going to need to know what near is. So I'm going to need another input node. This one will be sound.d. The range for this one is going to be 0 to 1 and works in a similar way to vision.z, in that the value of 1 represents close and the value of 0 is distant. So let's bring on a fuzz node and we can set out what near will be. So 1 being this side will be where the agents are near, so that should be good. Now we can make our rules. First, we just need to add some dfuzz nodes to say what the values for the turns are. So we have left, turn left, go straight, turn right. So left turn is a positive rotation, so we'll put that up to 180. Go straight, we'll keep at 0. Turn right was a negative rotation, so we'll set that to minus 180. Just change that to near. So for our rules, we need a couple AND nodes. So if the agents are left and near, go right. And if they find agents right and near, go left. We're going to need a couple more dfuzz nodes for the speed. So we have a normal speed, which we'll set to about 4. And we'll have a slow, which will be at 0. So normal speed will be the default, so we'll set that to else. So now we have our agents avoiding each other. Let's see how this works. Okay, they're avoiding each other quite well, but not looking quite right just now. So we just need one more rule to say if they find agents at center and near, then slow down. Let's see how that goes now. That's better. So they're completely avoiding each other now.